Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're talking about this hair, yes. And I just went ahead and just curled the hair and so forth. Yeah, I didn't really want to do, anything crazy with it. And as you can see, I cut the hair because it was an awkward length. Like, I couldn't deal with that length that I was dealing with. Like, the 14-inch wasn't really, I wasn't feeling it. I wasn't feeling how it looked. I wasn't feeling anything. So I went ahead and just cut it into this bob. Nice little, curly kind of bob, wavy kind of vibe that I was feeling. And yeah. But the hair is at 130% density. It is a pre-plucked 13 by 4 frontal lace wig. And it came with baby hairs. And what else? I didn't bleach the frontal as I do with all my lace frontal wigs. I don't bleach it. I just tint it with some foundation. Yeah, I feel like a scratch record now because I just say this all the time. The hair, I wouldn't say it's the easiest hair to deal with, like taking it out of the package right away. It looked pretty. It was beautiful. I love the curl, what do you say now? I love the texture and I love the curls that it had, and everything was fine. But like when it was dry, putting onto my head, it's going to take a lot of work with this hair. It's not going to be an easy hair to deal with, especially with this length. Yeah, so if you are thinking about like a bob, then a 14-inch would be ideal, of course, because you don't want to spend your money on inches and then you're not gonna, you're gonna end up cutting the hair and so forth. But the 14-inch is not, you have to cut it to get the style that you desire. And as I said before, this is not an easy hair to deal with. You have to put in some work and do something and try to find something that will suit you. You know what I'm saying? So, but it's a nice hair, and for 130% density, I love how it's full right now. As you can see, can you see the back? I love how it's full. I love the density and so forth. So this is workable for me, like how thick it is and the body that it has for the length. It's good. And as I said before, one of the things that I like is the texture of the hair and the fact that it holds curls really well. These are some curls that I put in it with my curling wand, and they came out very nice. I really like them. Nice. Okay, so 3 things about this hair that I really like. I love the density. The density is perfect if you want a bob. Yeah, the density is perfect if you are going for a bob, and it holds curls really nice. And what else? And the texture of the hair, I really like it. I really like this texture. It reminds me of the straight hair that I had before. It has that nice texture that it feels like permed hair. That's the texture. Okay, now 3 things that I don't like about this hair is 1, the length. 14-inch. You can't wear 14-inch. Like, it's not an inch that you can work with. It just looks weird, and it doesn't look like that's body or so forth. So a 14-inch doesn't really look, it doesn't have any life. So that's one thing I don't like. Then the next thing that I don't like is the fact that it is not the type of hair that you can just buy it and put it on, and no. You have to try to find a way to cut the hair in order for it to frame your face, for it to look good and so forth. And I know that a lot of people, we don't have time for that. Just want to get the hair and put it on, like the straight hair that I had before. I just took that, put it on and so forth, and it was perfect. Then the next thing that I don't really like about this hair is the lace. This is a 13 by 4 lace, but it was like from ear to ear. It was difficult for me to pull the sideburns and so forth. It was difficult to pull the frontal to fit my head. So if you have a bigger head than me, then not sure how this frontal would work. I think maybe you can get different like size for your head, and yeah, maybe you can get different sizes for your hair. But just that, those are the things that I wasn't really feeling about this hair. But the good things about it is the texture is very nice, it holds curls, and as I said, the density is perfect for a short bob. So yes, this hair is nice. Would I recommend it? I would recommend it if you have a small head and if you are going for a bob. Yes. But this is it for my hair review. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate it. See you in the next one.